Hey everybody, welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're going to turn up the speakers, get the energy flowing so we can learn in peak state. Let's go! Welcome back to Peak State Mathematics, taking a look at your distance formula today. Anytime you're asked to find AB, for example, or just two capital letters, what that's telling you is to find the distance of that segment, or the distance between the 2 points. Now, one approach we can do to this is actually just visualize it and graph it, draw it out, and plot these points. For me, I'm actually a super visual learner. This is one of my favorite ways. So let's plot point A at 5, 1. B is at 8, -3, and we can see that line segment we're trying to find the distance of. Now, you can use Pythagorean's theorem to help you find this, the old a squared plus b squared equals c squared, which just means we got to create ourselves a right triangle, drop that a down, connect it over to b at a nice 90-degree angle. And you're going to notice you've got 3 for your A, 4 for your B, and your C is the distance we're trying to find. So 3 squared plus 4 squared equals AB squared. 9 plus 16 equals AB squared. The square root of 25 is 5. And now we found our distance. That's just one way you can do it, visually, right? Some of you might be more algebraic and you want to use the actual distance formula, which, by the way, comes directly from your Pythagorean's theorem. Again, if we go back and look at that triangle we just drew, we'll notice that our A value is the change of x, x2 minus x1. The B value is the change of y, y2 minus y1, and your C value is the distance. So instead of doing distance squared, let's take the square root of both sides, and now we have distance equals the square root of x2 minus x1 quantity squared plus y2 minus y1 quantity squared, and that's your distance formula. Let's practice it here. We're going to plug in the coordinate points. Your x2 is 8, your x1 is 5. Your y2 is -3, your y1 is 1. And when we simplify this out, sure enough, we see we've got 3 squared and -4 squared, which gives us the 9 and 16, ultimately giving us the same distance of AB is equal to 5. Pick your favorite route, try 2 more on your own. Here we go. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching this video lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. Please hit subscribe so you have access to all of our video lessons. And if you want live, free tutoring with me every single Monday, check out peakstatemathematics.com and sign up for that. Until next time, remember, always learn in a peak state.